G'day, it's Mike, and I'm here today at Payam Data Recovery to explore a little bit of what they do day to day and understand how they have been so successful in serving the community as Australia's leading data recovery company. Dimitri was once again helping a customer with a hard drive issue who was hearing a clicking noise and couldn't access the drive. This is the most common problem that the team encounters in this lab, and it's typically caused by dropping the hard drive on the floor or if the drive is more than 5 years old. After examining the drive, Dimitri could also hear these clicking noises, which likely signaled a bad head. The head was replaced with the exact same module. In order to work on the drive safely, it was operated on in a dust-free environment to prevent contamination of the drive. In order to work on the drive more conveniently and efficiently, Dimitri converted from a USB to a SATA PCB. One issue he ran into with the SATA PCB was the user data was encrypted, but he found the key and decrypted the data. He then first focused on preserving user-critical data by cloning personal files such as photos, family videos, etc. before copying the rest of the drive. This was another successful case where we managed to recover all of the user's critical data. Dimitri's pro tip is modern hard drives are more difficult to recover from when they fail compared to older models. So make sure to use a recovery company that has the experience and advanced tools needed.